guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you all the possible ways you could contact ChainEX. Let's say you may have a situation where you are stuck, a complaint, a suggestion, or maybe even a compliment. And if you wanted to or you needed to contact ChainEX, you can do so in the following ways. The first and main way, of course, is by logging a support ticket through our ChainEX Support portal. You can do so by heading here. The link to the support portal can be found in the description below. If you're not sure how to log a support ticket, then please watch one of our previous videos by clicking the link over here. Another possible way to contact ChainEX is simply by sending an email to our email address, which is support@chainex.io. Last but clearly not least is social media. You can also connect with us through any of our social media channels: Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, our blog, Facebook, and Facebook Messenger. But the most important social media platform you should be using is Telegram. We recommend you connect with us and the community via our Telegram channel. If you have any issues or problems, there is always someone on our Telegram group that is there ready to assist you. From the ChainEX support team to the CTO of ChainEX, from the ChainEX community manager to the ChainEX community themselves. If you are not part of the ChainEX Telegram group, click the link in the description to join now. There you go, all the possible ways you can contact ChainEX. Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it? Did you know you can get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friends sign up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you like the tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one.